opticledgrowlights.com. Slim 600H NextGen unboxing. Take a look. Busting out Slim 600H NextGen. Flower your 4x4 area with over 2,200 diodes of the Samsung Horticulture series. Specialty from Optic with that optic spectrum with the red, white, blue, UV, and infrareds. You're going to notice right out the gate, it's a 6-bar light. Look at that beauty unfold. So you unfold the light, straighten it out, then the driver pack that sits on the top side of the light, you just reposition that into the center. So I'm going to go ahead and remount that driver front and center there on the back, and you will see it has a beautiful Slim 600 logo on it. You can see, just like the other next gen lights, you're badged on all three sides on your support bar here. You have your bottom side, top side, and the back side. Dimmer. Gotta have that dimmability, so you have the 0 to 100 dimmability there. Controller ports, you can switch between manual and controller. Look at that beautiful triple row Samsung boards. You've got the badges on the back here too, so take a look. Let me know what you guys think. You can see right here, badged up right there. So from the top side, you can see what you're working with. We have a SOSIN driver, 600 watt driver. Up to 277 volts, and you can see this is the new 6-bar Optic Slim Series light. Absolute beauty. We've been working on this light for many months, so we're super excited to be able to share this with you guys and start getting these out into the growers community. Work it with your controller. You could add your controller to this light for the auto sunrise and sunset. You can see you have a double row on the red and blue bloom enhancers. So you can see the blue going down 2 different rows, and you have reds going down 4 different rows. So you can see here you have twice as many reds as blues. UV and infrared, you can see those front and center, and you have a lot of those warm white, full spectrum white light LM301H Samsung Horticulture LED chips. So we have the controller hooked up. We can switch it back into manual mode, and then we're able to manually crank on that dimmer. You'll also notice at the very end of the support bar a cool Optic logo badged on all 4 corners now. We are going to make those available for everyone if they want to add those to their light. Thank you guys for tuning in. Take a closer look at this Slim 600H NextGen. Look it up with a thumbs up and subscribe.